Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I am blessed, and I do know it. And I say that from the bottom of my dark heart. I really am. I'm blessed with a husband that loves me and spoils me and takes me anywhere I want to go and tolerates my hobbies and actually enables me. We just went to Chicago in between 3 trips to Florida where Darren was working. And I got to meet up with some Midwest YouTube dolly channels of 2 people I had already met and just love and text with and email with, and that is Ayla Avar and Dory's Dollies. I've also met their husbands before, and they are gems. They are as blessed as I am with a husband. We did so much in a weekend, Friday through Monday, or Friday through Sunday with the group. And I said it before, I'm gonna say it again. 3 is not a crowd, and 6 is a party. If I listed everything had done, your eyes would be about this big. We were up at the crack of dawn and went till late in the evening. We had so much fun. One thing we did that I did not expect on the way there, Dory had mentioned it after I think we were already there, is the Barbie movie premiered on July 31st when we were there, that Friday? Yeah, that Friday. And I'm gonna tell you how much fun Dory is. I could talk for a week about Dory, but she is so much fun. She got all dressed up for the Barbie movie. She even had a big diamond ring and had her makeup on and her hair all fixed. She's so cute, but we didn't go that night. So I had bought on the way down a movie Barbie. And she was $24.95 at Walmart. I really liked her. I didn't want to spend the movie, but my husband said,
money.
you know, huh?
You didn't want to spend the money.
Spend the money, yeah, because I wasn't going to the movie is what I was going to say. Hadn't planned on going to the movie. But Darren had said, you know, it's a special Barbie, you really should get it. And then on Saturday morning, we met up with Ayla and Ron. The 4 of us stayed outside of Chicago. Darren and I were way outside of Chicago. And we met up with them on our way Saturday to go to Gigi and Sherry's, the specialty doll store. Oh, if you ever get a chance to go there, go. Anyway, Ron drove us all over, all the way in. What was it, about a 2-hour drive in, Darren? Hour and a half?
Hour and a half, I think, yeah.
From where we were staying to downtown Chicago. And along the way, God love him, he stopped at every Walmart, dropped Ayla and I off at the door, and there was some rain involved, so it really made a difference. And we found more movie Barbies for $10. Ayla spotted them. The gal had come over while we were standing there and marked these down. Do I wish I had bought more? I do. But there were other people standing around, and you know, once in a while I have to share. But I was glad to get another one, and one of the things I wanted to do was to have, I don't know if you can see it, I have a video on this. I had Ayla sign one arm as a tattoo and Dory sign the other as a tattoo at the movie theater when we went. And then I had dug out a Barbie after we had gone to Chicago to take to Florida to make some gingham outfits. I have gingham in so many colors now thanks to the Barbie movie. But this is why I wanted to have this video. When we met up with Dory and Ayla, we exchanged gifts. And this is what Dory gave me, and I am over the moon. Darren, how many times have I looked at this in the store? How many times? Oh, since they came out, I have been looking at this, and people reborn these. That is, they add legs and weight to them and make them into like a reborn doll, and then they change their clothes into baby clothes, and they're so cute. And I really love Who doesn't love Goo Goo? So Dory told us she had brought hers along and told us how to reborn. So I got this itty bitty, this is like preemie, but I wanted it in green, and I'm gonna still look before I fill this. But she told us how to sew this on to the bottom of Grogu and how to add weight to it and fix it so that you can dress him and put shoes on. And that's what I plan to do. I found this on the way home looking for them. And we were at a garage sale yesterday, in fact. Look what I found for Cheeky Monkey Monday. Everybody's always dressing their little reborns. And I found this, I couldn't resist. I paid $1 for it, which is way more than I pay. But it's so stinking cute. I went ahead and got it.
Looking there now, it looks enormous. Looks
Oh
really
yeah,
big.
I know, and it's this is 0 to 3 months, so it'll be big on him for sure. You know, it's hard to judge. It really is. He's going to need 0 to 3 months for sure, and perhaps even other preemie over the preemie. We'll see. But I can't wait to get him done, and I will show that in a video. Dory, I cannot thank you enough for the weekend, not alone, my Grogu. Ayla, thank you also. Oh, what a weekend. I want to do it again. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.